3 keyboard shortcuts you'll want to know about are T to add a text box, R to add a rectangle or a square, and L to add a line. And you'll notice with lines, we haven't really covered this before, but we have the start and end points of a line, so you can make custom arrows and different things like that. Let's go to the end of the line and let's make it something like that, or maybe like that. And now let's curve this line, something like that. Actually, I want it curved like this, not elbowed. Now we have a custom arrow. Pretty cool. But remember those keyboard shortcuts. What were they again? For text, easy, T. For rectangle, R. And for line, L. See you in another lesson.